Manipuri cinema has been facing so many problems from time to time, but the hard work and struggle of filmmakers and artists have made the Manipuri films achieved a little progress. When the Manipuri cinema is still struggling, a monetary demand by KCP Poirei Meitei has forced the movie theatres in the valley to close down. Sources said the party has demanded all the major theatres a sum of Rs 50,000 and smaller halls Rs 5,000. The market of Manipuri films is still in a pathetic condition, and Film Forum Manipur has appealed to the underground outfit to stop such demand so that cinemas in Manipur could show Manipuri pictures. Moviegoers in the state have been badly affected by the closure of movie theatres. They urged all concerned not to interfere in the functioning of the cinemas and allow the Manipuri films progress. Hard work and dedication for a long time has made possible the Manipuri film to flourish, and Manipuri film lovers are hoping for a great change from Manipuri film industry. But the monetary demands and other such demands would give a big hindrance to the development of our film industry.
Akogi Manipur film industry is matter demand toxin based kitangdi nungaite adi koi market system yam pi ebako adu film industry is toro paisa yam income yam chawng lak pasunate sidi chumna ki koi kala panjogi yokhat chaba adu koi Manipur saktak chaba adu khatane ba.
With camera person Bisorjit Namai Rapam, this is Bhakta Impact News.